I know the thumbnail caught your attention. In today's art myth busting video, we're taking a look at, did Bob Ross have a coke nail? Let's find out. For many of us, Bob Ross is our entry into painting with his calm voice, but when you look at Bob, there's a lot more to him. Those smoke-rimmed glasses, those deep V-necks, and of course the bling-bling that he likes to wear. But of course, if you look even a little bit deeper, you're gonna notice what could be a dark secret. On some of his paintings, you're going to notice what looks to be a coke nail. If you're not sure what a coke nail is, it allows you to scoop cocaine up and give yourself an easy bump to your nose.
I love cocaine!
So why does Bob Ross have this? I mean, it was the 70s and 80s and 90s, of course, but for Bob, it's not actually for cocaine. You see, many painters actually have a longer fingernail on one hand to scrape off excess paint. But Bob uses this and his long fingernail for another reason. You see, most painters would actually use a mahl stick to get extremely close to their painting to stop their hand from shaking. A mahl stick is a stick that you lay across your canvas or frame that holds your canvas so you can rest your hand on it. That allows you to get close to the canvas, but also keep your hand and fingers and brush steady as you work back and forth across your canvas. For Bob, since he had to paint on the fly and very quickly, he actually uses his fingernail as his mahl stick. Sometimes you'll see him put his pinky right up to the canvas, which allows him to stabilize his hand and brush. So this way he can have a little bit more detailed and calm work with his bristles. And that, my friend, is why Bob Ross doesn't have a coke nail, but has a long fingernail that is a makeshift and fast mahl stick. So there you go. Myth busted. Bob wasn't into cocaine. He was just into painting fast for you, so I and you could learn. Hopefully you liked this little episode and quick art myth busting, and maybe we'll work on the next one. I mean, what was that paint gun that Bob was using? Maybe that's a good one. See y'all next time. Peace.